Hi everyone, my name is Brooke and this is my presentation on keywords, where, from, and. So the keyword from allows us to indicate which table we want to pull the data from. So if we have a database with a lot of tables in it, from would allow us to select the particular one. So if we had an employee database and we wanted to go to the table that was hire dates, we would select that table hire dates. Now, if we wanted to get a little more specific and find out how many employees were hired in 2019, we would use the where. So we would use where to filter down to the row 2019. And if we wanted to get even more specific and wanted to know how many people were hired in the year 2019 and the month of April, then we could use the keyword and. So those have to both, those two conditions both have to be true for them to, for the data to pull. So let's take a look at this in the database. So over here, I've got PHP MyAdmin already pulled up, and I have the Acme database downloaded. So let's say we're a business owner, we have a lot of inventories. So we're going to start off with select, and let's go with individual name. And then we're going to select from the inventory, because we've got our tables here, the inventory table. And we're going to use the keyword where to select stock. So inventory, stock, and we want to see anything that's greater than 500 because we have a lot of inventory and we're wanting to liquidate that. So we also want to be able to sell it quickly. So we want to pick something that is relatively inexpensive. So we're going to go inventory price, which is less than $20. So if we hit the go button, it then shows us these three items that we can sell quickly, hopefully. And but if we wanted to get a little more specific, we could do select inventory name, and here we could add inventory price, and because again, this is pulling from the columns. And if we do inventory stock, then we come over here and do from the inventory, and then we do inventory stock, which is greater than 500, and inventory price, which is less than 20. Then you can see it shows us our columns as well as our rows, so we can know how much this item is and how many of these we have in stock. So it's really easy to use, and it's kind of fun to kind of play around with this and see the different data that you can pull. So I hope that you enjoyed my presentation and that it helps you. Thanks for listening.